In this video, you'll see how to edit an item, such as when you might need to change a barcode or a location for an individual item. I'll also show you how to do a bulk edit so you can change a shelving or branch location for multiple items at the same time. After logging into WorldShare, select Circulation, and then I'll select Discover Items from the left navigation panel. To edit an individual item, you can scan or type in a barcode, and this will take you directly to the item. So let's say I want to change the branch and shelving location for this item from the main branch stacks to the north branch stacks. So I'll click on Edit Item, and then from the holding location, I'm going to select the north branch, and from the permanent location, I'm going to select the north stacks. From here, you could also edit other fields such as notes, costs, or barcode. If there are fields that need to be edited that are not displaying, for example, the lending or reproduction policy in the 008, you would need to click on Change Display to Mark 21 view. We cover editing local holdings records in Mark 21 in Record Manager videos. So to save the changes that I've made to the locations, I'm going to click on Save Item. If you need to replace a barcode for an item, for example, maybe it's worn or has fallen off the book, you can search for the item by title or other indexes in the basic search. For example, I have a book called Reclaiming Conversation by Sherry Turkle, and the barcode is off of the item. So I can do a search over here, and I'm going to choose the data type bibliographic records. And then with the scope, I want it to be set to My Library's Holdings. And then I'm going to select the keyword index. It's already there selected by default. And I'm going to enter words from the title and the author. And then I'm going to click on Search. I'll click on the title from the search results, and this will take me to the Copies screen. And from here, I'm going to click under the Action column, View, Edit. And then I'm going to click on Edit Item. So from here, I can delete the old barcode and enter a new one. So I'll do that now. And then I'm going to click on Save Item. Next, I'll show you how you can change the branch or shelving location for multiple items at the same time. So let's say I want to change the shelving location for several items from the main 24-hour reserve location to the main 2-hour reserve location. So again, I'll go to Discover Items, and then for my data type, I'm going to choose Local Holdings Records. For my scope, I want to have it set to My LHRs. And then from here, I'm going to select the index barcode, and I'll clear out the search. Now you could scan in barcodes if your barcode reader allows you to adjust the setting to not enter the search after each scan, or you could copy multiple barcodes to a text file with a space between each, and then just copy and paste them into WMS. And that's what I'm going to do here. So after I paste the barcodes in there, I'm going to click on Search. So now that I've retrieved the items, you can see I have 5 items, and they all have the shelving location main 24 hours reserves. I'll need to select some or all of them by clicking in the check boxes over here to the left, or I can click the top checkbox to select all of them, and that's what I'm going to do. Next, from the Actions drop-down, I'm going to select Change Shelving Location. And then from here, I'm going to select the drop-down and choose the main 2-hour reserve. And then I'm going to click on Change. Now note that the system will only allow you to do this if all of the items selected have the same branch location. I could also search for items to edit by location. So let's say I also want to change the shelving location for items in my main new books location to my main stacks location. So again, I'll go over here to discover items. My data type is going to be local holdings records, and then my scope, my LHRs, and I'm going to change the index now to location. And from here, I'm going to select my main branch and my shelving location, main new books, and then I'll click on search. So you can see I've retrieved 8 items with the main new books shelving location. So I'm going to select all of them again by clicking on the top checkbox. And then I'm going to the Actions drop-down. I'm going to select Change Shelving Location. And then from the Shelving Location drop-down here, we'll select Main Stacks. And then I'll click on Change. And the system responds that it has updated the shelving locations for the local holdings records. Please visit help.oclc.org for additional training and documentation for WorldShare Circulation and contact information for OCLC support in your region.